Dr. Steenbarger wrote an excellent series on FOMO, fear of missing out, with solutions to help traders with this issue. In one post, he mentioned our work together coaching and mentoring traders at SMB. Specifically, he outlined 3 ideas to improve FOMO, and for which I'd like to contribute my thoughts and hopefully supplement his thinking. All right, so 1, mindfulness. We recommend in our training programs that traders include in their daily routine mindfulness training. A good place to start is the Headspace app. Mindfulness training will help you observe a trading loss and not take it personally. It will help you focus for a more sustained period of time and with greater intensity. Also, it'll help you remain in the optimal psychological state of calm while trading. Again, this is a good place to start. 2, reassess the severity of threat. The traders on our desk are taught to trade their playbook. My second book that I wrote is called The Playbook. It outlines how to build your trading business with a series of these playbooks. Repeatedly, our coaching and mentoring centers around helping traders trade their playbook in real time. Forced trades bring unnecessary losses, for example. Sizing too small and P&L not recognized in A+ trades becomes obvious with a quick review of your playbook. Your trading business is to trade your playbook. Stocks selected that are in play but do not offer trades in your playbook shouldn't be taken. It's not enough for a stock to be in play. It must also set up with an opportunity from your playbook. When traders think of trading their playbook, it's easier to accept large moves in stock that they did not participate. They think, it's not a trade in my playbook. But seriously, Dr. Steenbarger makes such a terrific point about how nonsensical FOMO is from a trader. I wrote about prep in the playbook, working on these issues with his trading, so you might want to go check that out. There are large moves about to hit in stocks on Hong Kong, London exchange, the German exchange overnight. Will you awake and fret about misses there? If not, then why are you feeling anxious about movements of stocks outside your playbook? Your job is to trade your playbook. That is your business. 3, directing attention outward. On Team Shark, junior traders get to learn and be mentored by one of the top short-term traders. They often trade and watch the same stocks. They all attack these opportunities differently and with success. They've had to. They're not capable of trading like him. They must draw on their unique talents and interests to create a playbook and trade that playbook at their best. Focus on what you need to do to produce your best trading. I hope this has contributed to Dr. Steenbarger's series on FOMO. Trade well. Talk to you soon.